get ready to indulge in a creamy, dreamy tiramisu like no other, made with the unexpected duo of paneer and curd. We are using the richness of paneer and tanginess of curd and the boldness of coffee to create a truly unique dessert experience. Mix together paneer, curd, and a hint of vanilla essence for a creamy sweet base. Dip bread in a rich coffee brew to add depth and flavor to our tiramisu. Layer the paneer mixture coffee soaked bread for a show-stopping dessert. Refrigerate it until set. Sprinkle a layer of cocoa powder on top. Enjoy your creamy, dreamy, ultra unique paneer curd tiramisu.